it is familiar for you. I have visited different parts of the India. I have visited Kashmir, Kerala, Assam, and also Punjab, from north to south, from east to west. I have seen all the history of the region. I have seen the history of the Assam and the Persian language. I have seen history and literature and culture of the Kashmir written in the Persian language. So this language is not as a foreign language for you, it is part of your culture, as a classic language. Today, more than 14 departments and centers working for the Persian language in different universities. Which I want to add the colleges, it will come to the more than 100 in different parts. Only in Berlin, there are 3 departments in Jawaharlal Nehru University, Urdu University, and Jamia Milliya, as well as the Zakir Hussain College. So, I think more than other countries, India are working for the Persian literature and language because it is part of the culture and part of your identity. Any historian wants to refer to the main sources, first-hand sources for the studying history should refer to the Tarikh Farishte, Tarikh Firuzshahi, Tarikh Akbarshari, Ali Akbari, and many others which all written in the Persian language. We have the Persian class in history department in Jamia, as well as the university, and we are going to extend these classes for the other history department because it is part of the needs for those students who are studying history. And for Indian service to Persian language, as my friend mentioned in the slide, Hindi style in the Persian language is very important style in the Persian literature. For the lexicography, for the Persian historiography, Indian was the first person who has done many research and written many books for this issue. So today, after actually the dominant of the English, little by little, the importance of the Persian language as a fourth language reduced. But even today, that's important for the story of the literary person and as a cultural language and part of your identity. So, you are all welcome to the Culture House. This Culture House, located in 18th Lake Mark, is one of the oldest cultural houses in Delhi. Our background is more than 62 years. I think a few years after independence. Independence is 1947 and Culture House established in 1956. I think maybe the eldest cultural house in Delhi. From the beginning time, we are doing Persian classes in Iran cultures as well as 95% of the time. Mitra. और पेंशन 90% ऊपर लेके आएंगे रौनक अहमद ये
आज आप लोग ताली बजा रहे हैं क्या आपके लिए कोई बजाएगा
शबनम खान अच्छा रौनक है देखिए आगे से आगे पढ़ने को भी साथी शबनम खान नहीं होती मोहम्मद निजामुद्दीन